I wanted to hop in here and remind you that cash is a position. Sitting on stablecoins is not a bad idea. It's fascinating to me how when the markets pump, it's like now people start buying. Like when the markets pump, I'm actually getting out of positions. I'm converting to stablecoin. My liquidity pools are converting me to stablecoin as well. And I'm not like upset about that. I think a lot of people think, oh, I didn't make as much as I possibly could because they think they can time the markets perfectly. So just to show you here, I'm in various lending protocols. So we'll use Aave, Avalanche, 6K over here, which I've been slowly stacking up. Polygon, I don't know, probably 3K over here. If I jump on my Tangent wallet and I scroll down on Ethereum, pulling profits, over $11,000 in stablecoin on Ethereum. 6,000 in USD on BNB. We got $18,000 in USDT. On Polygon, we got $25,000, which I'm going to start moving a little bit here over to the lending. Just the yields are so low on lending right now that I just don't risk the smart contract risk right now. I just kind of move it into my Tangent. 4% is, I don't even feel that, but good practice is always be earning yield. So I should probably follow that practice a little bit more, and I'm going to clean that up a little today. I'm just being transparent here. And, that's that. I've got stuff on XtraFi. Even if we look at DeBank, I get to enjoy like a 0.2 to a 0.8% every single day because a lot of this is in yield farming right now, which is fine and dandy, but I still pull profits. VFAT over the last couple of days has pulled me another $3,824 in stablecoin here. I got $700 here, $500 here, and then I move that into lending. Every week I take the profits and I move it into lending. We just did a video on Sui, which you should definitely check out. I was just talking about how this is up from a couple grand to almost $11,000. I think it's going to be around $18,000 with my price target. The point is I start de-risking. I can move some of this even to liquidity pools with a stable coin. So if the markets turn, it'll just help me dollar cost average back into Sui in this instance. And I think if we zoom out and start playing this DeFi game strategically and not always thinking, hey, every day I'm going to make a ton of money, there's going to be red days, there's going to be red months. How do you position yourself to be ready to take advantage of that? In the UIG, I just posted an article here talking about this 260% pump that we've seen with Sui, and that's not the point. The point is I was talking about how do I make sure that whatever happens, I'm good. So how can I have some Sui on the sidelines? So let's just say I take my $10,000 of Sui because that's what it's appreciated to. So I could play this in multiple ways. Maybe I take 30% of that and I take it as profit. Bam. It locked in. I got $3,000 of profit. Perfect. Then I take 30 or 33% of it and I just keep it in Sui in case the price of Sui keeps going up. I get to ride that up. 30% of it or 33%, I put in a liquidity pool, let's just say. And if the price of Sui goes up, awesome. I've taken profit. I'm happy with that. My Sui has increased in value. I'm happy with that. And my liquidity pool is dollar cost average, laddering me out into stablecoin. I'm also happy with that. If the price stays flat, I took profit. I'm happy with that. I can put that to use somewhere else. My Sui is sitting in my wallet. Awesome. And another third of it is earning me 150 to 250% in fees. I'm happy with that. What if the market goes down? Well, I took my profit, so I'm happy with that. Locked it in. I also see Sui as an $8 plus coin, so I'm playing the long game. So yes, my portfolio would go down a bit in my hold. I'm cool with that. And my liquidity pool would just, as Sui goes down in price, I would have more and more Sui because this USDC would be being sold basically into Sui, and I would just be dollar cost averaging into Sui as the price of Sui goes down. And because I'm a long-term holder, I win either way. It doesn't have to be just a one size fits all. I'm still in a ton of liquidity pool, and you just saw 50, 60, I probably have around $80,000 in stable coins sitting on the sidelines right now. More than I have in a while. Why? Because cash is a position. I don't FOMO into the markets. I actually oftentimes do the opposite of what most people do. Let me know if any of this is landing. Would love to have a conversation, but I usually do the opposite of what most people are doing. When the markets are going crazy and everyone is buying, I'm usually like selling or being very cautious. And when the markets are falling and everyone's running, I'm just like, ooh, let's get in. Ooh, let's build a company in the crypto DeFi space. Ooh, let's do this. And everyone thinks you're insane because it's like, crypto's dead, nothing's happening. Like that's when you build, that's when you buy, that's when you go all in. And that rinse and repeat has worked really, really well for me. And I wouldn't say I'm a genius or any smarter than anyone else. I'm just like, let me just do the opposite of what most people do. Let me keep my emotions in check and play the game accordingly. So again, cash is a position. Don't be afraid to take profit. Don't be afraid to sit on it. And when the markets turn, you can redeploy and you can double, triple those profits. really hope this is landing, because if more people understood this, more people would win the game. I mean, it's my fuel for this YouTube channel. I'm just like, how can I do a video every single day? It's been the fuel for the UIG, every article we write. Check out what Gordon wrote here regarding the pseudo snuggle rebalance, mitigating impermanent loss. This is a wicked article and a wicked tutorial, and super important to understand. I mean, we got a ton of articles on here, but you can check them out. Ladder out strategies. We have a ladder out spreadsheet within the UIG, and you can actually start planning your profit taking so you can be prepared for when the markets pump, you're prepared to take profit. Study this stuff and take it seriously, whether it's free on YouTube or in the UIG, in the community, or you've joined a coaching program or something of ours. Get support, get help. Again, whether that's free and you like and subscribe to this YouTube channel, share it with someone you know this YouTube channel could serve. We're actually starting to sponsor other YouTube channels. We want to get the word out. I have like this sense of urgency all the time because I'm like, people need to know about this. Or again, come join the UIG, check out what we got going on in there. Either way, we're here to serve, and I really hope this video served you. Check out all of our free stuff on the website, CryptoLabsResearch.com. We got a bunch of free courses. We got 2 that are out, and we got 3 more in the works. They're all going to be free, and I'd say they rival most people's $20, $30, $40, $50 courses. We want to create it for free. And again, those who want community, those who want support, those who want coaching, we also have the UIG and other coaching programs available. But if you're one of the free types of people, we want to provide a really high level of education and information, and we want to make it free to you. So do check out CryptoLabsResearch.com for everything that is free, including our Financial Freedom Formula program, which we just released for free. It's fundamental, foundational. Check it out, or just let me know in the comments, hey, I want free stuff, and I'll send you the link to our free downloads. With that said, truly appreciate you. Again, all I ask is like this video, comment below, subscribe to this YouTube channel. This channel does not grow without your support, and we really appreciate your support. And with that said, we'll see you in the next video. Peace.